Good morning children, this is your social class. Now we are going to see our new chapter weather and climate. Yes, have you ever noticed a weather report in a daily newspaper or while hearing the news in the television? Yes, at the end of the news they will say the weather report of a particular place like sunset and then temperature and rainfall of a place. Yes, what is mean by weather? Weather is defined as the condition of atmosphere of a given place at a given time. It is defined as the condition of atmosphere of a given place at a given time. Yes. Weather, it is defined as the condition of atmosphere of a given place at a given time. It includes the weather condition of a day, that is sunrise and sunset. These are the weather condition of a day, and this includes sunrise and sunset. And then temperature, that is maximum and minimum temperature. The range of temperature, that is difference between maximum and minimum temperature. It includes the maximum and minimum temperature. And then the air pressure and humidity. Humidity means the moisture that contains in the atmosphere. Is weather is a temporary state of atmospheric condition. It is a temporary state of atmosphere and it may change in a few hours or a few days. Yes, weather it often changes in a few hours or a few days. If 2 days are very sun and another 2 days it will be very rainy. Likewise, weather it will change for a day or for an hours. And wind, sun rays, temperature, humidity and rain determine the weather of a particular place at a particular time. These all determine the weather of a particular place at a particular time. If in Veppadai there is a temperature is very high, then they will say it is too hot. Is because with the temperature only they can analyze the weather of a particular place. And then what is mean by climate? Climate it may be defined as an average of weather conditions of a place or an area. Climate may be defined as an average of a weather condition of a place or an area. It is an average of weather condition. Climate generally does not change for 30 to 40 years. Climate it will be continue for the 30 to 40 years. It may not change like weather. Weather it will change for a day or for an hour. But climate it does not change for more than 30 or 40 years and may be hot, cold, dry or wet. The climate may be hot, cold, dry or wet. It is not necessary that it remains the same throughout the year. Yes, it is not necessary. Throughout the year the place will be hot or cold, dry or wet. These all things will change. Either the place will be hot or cold. Either the place will be dry or wet. Yes, climate it does not change for 30 or 30 to 40 years. And then factors affecting climate. What are the factors that affecting the climate? The climate of a place is affected by many factors. Distance from equator. Equator means latitude. Yes, in the first chapter we saw no. A place will be hot if it is located near the equator. If it is located near the equator, the place will be very hot. Generally, places far from the equator are cooler. As the sun rays are vertical over the equator, they cover a shorter distance and are spread over a smaller area. The sun rays is in the vertical over the equator. So, they cover a shorter distance and are spread over a smaller area. Poles are the farthest from the equator and are the coldest regions. And then second factor that affecting the climate was altitude. Hill stations have a cold climate due to height above the sea level, which is called an altitude. Because of the height above the sea level, the hill station, it feels the cold climate. Yes, the temperature decreases with the increase in height. The temperature will decrease when the height increases. So, all the hill station we can feel the cold climate. Yes, two places situated on the same latitude may have different temperatures. The two places situated on the same latitude may have different temperatures. The Dehradun Valley and the Mussoorie Hill Station are not far away from each other but differ in temperatures because of their altitudes. These two hill stations are not far away from each other, but because of the altitude the temperature differs from each other. And then Leh is cold because it is on a high altitude. Yes. And then the third factor that affecting the climate was distance from the sea. Places near the sea are neither too hot nor cold. They have equable climate because of the land breeze and sea breeze. Yes, because of the land breeze and sea breeze, they have the equable climate. Places will not be too hot nor too cold. Yes, during the daytime the sun heats both land and water, but land absorbs more heat than water. During the daytime the sun heats both land and water, but land it absorbs more heat than water. Therefore the warm air above the land rises, and then the cool air from the sea it takes place, and this is called a sea breeze. When the warm air above the land rises, the cool air from the sea it takes its place. So it is called sea breeze. And at night the land cools down more quickly than the sea. The air above the sea is warmer and rises up, and then the cool air from the land it takes place, and this is called land breeze. So the weather is neither very hot nor very cold. And then the fourth factor that affecting the climate was direction of wind. The winds affect the climate of a place. Yes, wind coming from cold areas increases the temperature, and winds coming from cold regions will lower the temperature of a place. Yes, if a wind it comes from a hot areas, it increases the temperature, and if the wind it comes from the cold region, it will lower the temperature of a place. Because of these winds the climate was affected in a place. And then the winds may also bring in moisture. They are called rain bearing winds. Winds coming from the Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal bring rain to the entire country of India. Yes, our entire country of India it gets rain through the wind it brings by the Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. Yes, and then Mojindram, Meghalaya, it receives the highest rainfall in the world. Earlier it was Sirabunji of the same state in India with its record for several years. And then humidity. Humidity means the amount of moisture present in atmosphere. I already said no. Humidity means the amount of moisture that present in atmosphere. The wind blowing over the sea bring in lots of moisture and make the climate of the coastal areas very humid. Yes, because of the wind blowing over the sea, it brings lots of moisture and it makes the climate of the coastal area very humid. Because of these, the coastal areas it gets highest rainfall. Yes, and then ocean currents. These are the flow of water below the surface of the ocean water. It flow below the surface of the ocean water, and then they affect the climate of a place, as these currents may be cold or warm. These ocean water also affect the climate of a place because these currents may be cold or warm. Example, the Gulf Stream starting from the Gulf of Mexico flows towards the Arctic Ocean. As a result, Murmansk has become an ice-free port throughout the year. Yes, because of this, the place it becomes an ice-free port throughout the year. Yes, that's all children. Today's class is over. Today we saw about weather and climate, 6 factors that affecting the climate. Yes, note down your homework. Define weather, define climate. Who are climatologist? Climatologist means who study about the climate is called climatologist. And write any 3 factors affecting the climate. What is meant by altitude? Read the lesson properly and try to answer it. Thank you children. We will meet in next class.